So I came up with this cool idea. I wanted to compare Copy My Call with its AI capabilities against Typical, the #1 call recording app on the App Store and on the Android store. Now, the difference between Typical and Copy My Call is Copy My Call uses AI backend. So I wanted to see how sophisticated it was if I had a conversation that was recorded in Spanish, then I flip over to French, then I go to English and see how well Copy My Call does against Typical with its transcription. Now, I recorded something, and don't laugh at my Spanish and my French because I'm just learning those languages. But it's kind of fun to listen to. But I'm going to use that, even though I don't speak it that well, to see how the transcript's going to work. Okay. So this is what I did. I recorded a short little message here and listen to it.
Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás usted? Estoy bien, ¿y tú? Bien, gracias. ¿Cómo se llama? Me llamo Andrew, ¿y tú? Me llamo María. Mucho gusto, María. ¿Hablas francés? Oui, je parle français. Vous voulez parler en français? Oui. Parlez-vous bien français? Je le parle un peu. Je parle un peu français aussi. Parlez-vous anglais? Yes. Speaking English is so much easier for me. Me too. Where are you from? Glendale, Arizona. What about you? I'm from San Diego, California. I love San Diego.
Okay, cool. So don't laugh at my Spanish and English. It's kind of funny trying to play two different roles. But I took that recording and recorded and copied my call, the same exact recording I put in tape a call. And it's here. If I can play it just to verify it for you, if you want to hear part of it, you say, yeah, this is the same conversation. There's a little lag in my delay of recording, but here you go. It takes about, I think it's 15 seconds into the play. And it should start playing right about now.
Hola, ¿cómo estás usted? Estoy bien, ¿y tú? Bien, gracias.
Okay, so it's the same exact recording. But what I wanted to do, notice that this is the mobile version right here, and this is the web version. You notice that it says transcribe in the mobile version, and if I go to transcribe on the web version, it doesn't work. So they have problems with their website too. So I had to bring up the mobile version just to even look at it. But let's look at the transcript from, let's look at the transcript from Typical and see what it looks like. Here you go. And listen to it, the background as far as it when it starts speaking, about 15 seconds of it. Here you go.
Hola, ¿cómo estás usted? Estoy bien, ¿y tú? Bien, gracias. ¿Cómo se llama? Me llamo Andrew, ¿y tú? Me llamo María.
You can see that this is complete garbage. Even at the end, when I spoke in English, it didn't even put it in English. So I have no idea what Typical is doing with their transcription. Now let's take a look at the transcription from Copy My Call using AI. Here we go. So we look at the transcription. It's in Spanish. Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás usted? Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? Bien, gracias. ¿Cómo se llama? Me llamo Andrew. ¿Y tú? Me llamo María. Mucho gusto, María. So you can see it got the Spanish pretty good. And here's the French. Oui, je parle français. Tu vous parles en français. Parlez-vous bien français? So it got the French good too. Then we switch into English. Yes, speaking French is so much easier. So comparing Copy My Call and Typical is night and day. But I can look at a quick analysis using AI and says, hey, this is Andrew and Maria introducing themselves, discovering they both speak a little French and English, and they share where they're from in the United States. But let's go and do another AI, which is called Simplify It. And check this out. So all in English, it simplifies it. So it wasn't in mixed languages. So we have, here's a simplified version of the conversation. Hi, how are you? I'm good. You? Good, thanks. What's your name? My name is Andrew. And yours? My name is Maria. Nice to meet you, Maria. Do you speak French? Yes, I speak French, and so on and so on. But what if I was talking to somebody that just spoke, um, Spanish? Well, what I can do, I can go over to the AI and say, convert this to Spanish, that conversation. So there it is. It converts it all to Spanish. And if you read Spanish, you can see that this is spot on. But just because you know the language Spanish, you can speak it, but maybe not be able to read it. So you can take it a step further. You hit this text to speech and listen to how the quality of this text to speech in Spanish.
Transcripción. Aquí tienes una versión simplificada de la conversación. Hablante A. Hola. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. ¿Y tú? Bien, gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Andrew. ¿Y tú? Me llamo María. Encantado de conocerte, María. ¿Hablas francés?
Okay, I'm not going to play the whole thing, but that was cool. Now, let's suppose the person didn't know Spanish, but we had somebody who knew French. Do the same thing. You can go here, flip to French, that whole conversation, and the whole conversation is in French. And I can do the same thing. I can have it speak in French. Notice the quality of the speaker.
Voici une version simplifiée de la conversation. Interlocuteur A. Salut. Salut. Comment ça va? Je vais bien, et toi? Bien, merci. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Andrew, et toi? Je m'appelle Maria.
Okay, so that's a comparison between copy my call and tape a call. Copy my call just blows tape a call out the box. So I want you guys to review this, comment, tell me what you think. If you guys want to try copy my call, you can actually try it for free just by using my promotion code. So if you go to, let me just go on the screen right here. I'll go ahead and close this and go ahead and close this right, get out of this right here. I'm going to exit out of this. Now this brings you to the website. Well, so the website has a lot of really cool stuff. It gives you little quick tutorials on how to do everything in videos, which are cool. But let's suppose you want to try it for free and copy my call. You can do it by going and get started for free. And all you need to do is enter your email, enter a phone number, and create your own password, and use my promo code. Here's my promo code, promo hyphen wise, because that's my last name, and guy, because I'm a guy. Promo hyphen wise guy. If you use this promo code, notice that you don't have to enter a credit card number. You don't have to enter your first or last name. You're practically anonymous. But using my promo code and creating the account lets you try all the features of Copy My Call with 2,000 tokens, which is almost equivalent to a month worth of free service. So I want you guys to try out Copy My Call. Tell me what you think. Use my promo code so you get the free service for almost a month. And give me your feedback. I'll be interested to know what you think about Copy My Call. If you are an existing Tape a Call customer, welcome to a new service.